What are we gonna do, bro?
Bro, we're going to Vegas, but we're eating right now.
My boy.
Yo, what's good? No fries, bro?
Natty.
For the gains, bro.
Why'd you get a lettuce wrap?
For protein, bro. For the gains, bro.
It's go, bro.
It came out. Hop in the car real quick. Después de Miami Tucker.
Hey, what's in your
Yo, what's in your bag?
I'm dead.
We're making a quick stop, taking a piss. What are we doing, bro?
Hey, buddy. We're chilling, bro. We need to stretch our legs.
Let me see you stretch, bro. Let me see you stretch. Alright. After this, we'll. I don't know. What do you think we have, like 2 hours, 1 hour? 2 hours.
Yo, what's good, fam?
Yo, what's good, fam? We just checked in, and afterwards, I don't know what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do? We're gonna eat. We're gonna walk. To our hotel. And yeah. Damn, fam. One for our clothes, one for our brewskis. Yike. Dude, that's, we're gonna need a bigger one.
Alright. Hold on.
No, we don't need that.
Yeah, hold up.
We need the plate, bro.
Hey, Francisco's little plate to eat food on.
Oh, put your bag up there. Put your camera.
Hey, I was going to gradation.
Gradation? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Just give me the ball.
Yo, walk in the hotel like.
Dude,
like
that thing's gonna break in there.
No, like this. We don't need this.
Francisco. Yeah, I guess I'm carrying this.
Alright, let's go.
Whose shoes are those? Did they need those?
Oh, yeah,
those are Francisco's.
Shit. Yeah, alright. You need all these chanclas too?
Yeah, bring it off.
Por unos madrazos.
Chingao. Staying here for a year, guys.
Bro, what are you breaking in?
Oh, the sandal fell. Thank you.
Bro, you were supposed to watch me.
I didn't notice that happened.
You don't know what floor it is?
Wait, hold on. I think we could fit.
Oh shit, that's
No,
36.
I love it.
It's floor 36?
Yeah.
Damn, 30.
36.
Later. Oh, guys, this is quick.
Yo, Terminator.
Just everybody
Yo,
go in
Terminator.
there.
Everybody going. Everybody going.
There's like should be a button like open
open the door.
Sean talking. I'm trying.
What floor?
Just they gave us a head.
Yeah, that's her room
No,
too.
there's another room.
Later, guys.
Later, dude.
Room?
Damn, girl.
Ah, shit, yo.
Yeah.
This was already sleeping.
Yo, oh, I thought Francisco was in there with you.
Eric, come in here, bro.
Oh, I'm coming in there, bro. No homo.
Oh.
Whoa.
Hey, no walking.
Yo, hold up. Damn, girl.
Double the shower.
Damn.
Hey, who's trying to save the environment, bro? Double the shower.
What is going on here?
Double the shower.
Okay. Get it. Damn, bro. Yeah, this shit's nice. Yeah, I'm trying to take some new photo shoots while we're here. What's good?
I was drinking this drink down.
So where we at, bro?
We're at the mall. We're just trying to see if we can get some sandals. I don't even know what the mall this is. All it says free threads inside.
Yeah, look at the ceiling. I mean, the sky? Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, huge, bro. You want to take a big ass rip? Full sending, homie. Well, let me try that shit.
Reaction.
Ni ando chupando nada, no sale, güey.
Does it come out?
No mames, güey.
Why not? Yeah, you didn't suck hard enough, bro.
You gotta suck hard enough.
Bro, I don't think I'm good at sucking, bro. Alright, hold on.
Yeah, suck on that shit. Yeah.
Is it? As fire as gas?
Oh yeah, dude, good. Try it. Try that shit.
Oh, I smell it too. Alcohol already.
Oh, there's alcohol in it?
Yeah.
I thought it
Try
was just
it.
slushy.
No.
We have 151. Have 151.
I think they're gonna be small.
Try them on, bro.
Dude. Oh. Bro, what the? Oh, bro.
No, I need 9, bro.
Bro, it's because you have calcetines, bro. You have your socks on.
Take off your socks.
Oh, that's a nice fit, bro.
Bro, I think this is a little too small for my hand.
Get some big one. You have Sasquatch feet.
Yeah, you do have some shot ass feet.
Oh, without socks, yeah, it does fit perfect.
Hey, get penguins, bro. You won't.
Bro, that's too classic for me, bro.
Now you want?
No, you won't.
You won't, bro. Trust. You won't.
Wait, sunscreen, bro.
Nobody brought sunscreen. Good job, guys.
Yeah, sunscreen here, did they?
Yeah, it's right there on your right.
10 bucks. Someone buy the sunscreen.
Put it
The fuck did you use on
down.
yours? First
Hey, my
reaction.
mom hit that shit.
What do you think, bro?
Oh, damn, that's strong. That shit's fire, though.
That's good.
Why'd you say it was strong?
I'm a straight cock block.
Alright.
I got your sandals. Hey, I got your sandals.
I was about to ask for the digits.
You should have, bro.
This guy came through. Taking the digits? No, I was about to. I took too long.
What did she say? We go back and be like, yeah, what's up?
No.
Tell about the pool party.
She's on her way to work, bro.
Alright, take care.
Blue roasted. Sick, bitch. Speechless. Yeah, you should be like, you should be like.
Hey, my ass bigger than yours.